Before Marley, before dancehall, before reggae even had a name, there was a teenage girl from Clarendon with a high-pitched voice and a polka dot dress. Her name was Millie Small, and she gave the world Jamaica's first international pop hit, My Boy Lollipop. Born in 1947, Millie grew up on a sugar plantation. She won a local talent show at age 12, which caught the attention of producers in Kingston. And she was eventually flown to London by Island Records founder Chris Blackwell, who saw her as his first big star. In 1964, My Boy Lollipop hit number